Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing an unboxing video. Now, if you haven't noticed, yes, I am sitting in front of my very own Peloton. I did the biggest investment of my at-home fitness equipment, and it is a Peloton cycling machine. Super stoked about it. Already did a few rides, and I can't wait to do a review update video of that in future. But today I'm actually going to be doing a fun unboxing video. So I'm a huge Nike fan, and no, this video is not sponsored in any way. This is all me, truthful review. Instead of getting the Peloton shoes, I wanted to try the Nike SuperRep Cycling Shoes. This is their indoor cycling shoes, and so I had to buy these shoes, and I also ordered some cleats online so that they can attach to the bike. So today we are going to be looking at the shoes, and then we are going to install the cleats, and then we're going to do a little test ride and actually see how it all goes. So let's get this baby unboxed. So I chose to go with the white pair, and as you can see here, these are the shoes. Super cute. Why did I choose white? Because I'm indoor and I can't have any other white workout shoes. So I was like, the one time where I never touched the ground outside of this, I'm doing white. So I did go with the white shoes. One thing that I can say about these shoes is that when I first tried them on and did them with my bike, they are super comfortable. If you can't see, they do have mesh on the shoes, so that is like their way of a breathable design that allows your feet to stay cool with the mesh in the front, and then you kind of see it all around as well too. On the bottom of the shoes, this is where we will be installing the cleats. It also has an adjustable hook, loop straps for ease of comfort. It makes it super fit whenever you are pedaling on the bike. There's also a secure and solid connection to the pedal from the bottom. So that's going to be super dope, because before these cycling shoes, I actually was just wearing regular Nike shoes when I cycled, and my foot was sliding all over the place. So I definitely needed something that was going to be more stable than just my regular flat sole shoes. One thing that I will say also is that I noticed online in the reviews, also always read reviews when you buy shoes, especially when you're not trying them on in store. The reviews are key. So one of the biggest things that I saw was that you need to go half a size up or a full size up. They said half a size if you have a narrow foot, a full size if you have a bit of a wider foot. So I did half a size because I also ordered in men. I just like ordering in men, and also the men's shoes were on sale. The women's were not. So I chose the men's, and I typically wear between a 9, 9.5. So these I got in a 9.5 in men's, which converts to an 11 in women, which is my true size. And these fit like perfect. They were snug, and they're cute. Like, look at the sayings on them. It says cycle, sweat, repeat, and dare, defy, do. So when I was looking on the site for these shoes, they had multiple colors, and I'll show a few pictures of the colors, but like I said, these were the ones for me. Some other things that I will notate about these is that they're super easy to slip your foot on in and out. They also have a rubber under the heel, so that gives you traction while you're working out on the bike and just makes it easier for you to ride. The cleats are not included with the shoes. When I opened my box, these were the only things that they gave me. Can't use these. Not sure what I would do with these. So I ordered a pair off Amazon, and they were only 10 bucks. And I'll put the link in the description. And it came with these for each shoe, and then the screws that go on. So let's go ahead and put the cleats on and do a test ride and actually put these babies to use. All right, let's install these bad boys. Okay, so 2 sides to these. I'm doing the side with the holes out in front. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this bag open. Super simple. Yes, that was easy. Now let's do the other side. We have these on, yes. So let's strap these bad boys on and do a test ride. I'm not gonna lie, super excited about these. Can't wait to really ride and go far with these shoes. They're super comfortable, they're super cute, and I'm not gonna lie, I am a Nike fanatic, so might be biased on that part, but for a first-time rider, I think these are great. I think they're affordable, and I think you should get them, so why not? If this review video doesn't help you, then definitely check out some of the others. That's what I did on Nike on YouTube, and I just kind of like felt the vibes to see which way I wanted to go. So I'm happy I went with these purchase. They were easy to clip on, they were easy to ride in, they were super stable, my foot was secure, and I felt like I could get up and get down super easy. So check it out. Go ahead and get you a pair if you can. Get you a Peloton if you haven't already. And that's all I have for you today. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Ask me plenty of questions because that is how we know what to do. We ask. So do that for your girl. Can't wait to see you all again. And until my next video. Bye.